Hey, what's going on everybody? John Vitt here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I just wanted to kind of talk about an experience that I just went through and just kind of dive deep a little bit about getting jobs, repeat customers, and offering bundles when doing a job for a customer. So, quick recap about what happened to me yesterday. Actually, I got a call about somebody who wanted me to come out and do a house wash, okay? I did a video a couple days ago where I did a house wash point of view with my new GoPro camera, and I did everything from this perspective, and the camera was right here. So go check that out if you haven't already. But that job that I did, I gave the customer a discount from what I normally would charge in return for him to post something on his local community like group. Okay, so I do this a lot, and with Nextdoor, there's Facebook groups. There is all kinds of like local community groups where people can talk to each other and really stay connected. Okay, so this one happened to be on Nextdoor, and when I really first started, I didn't do any advertising, any business cards, any yard signs, anything. I just actually started my company by working for my neighbors using Nextdoor about 3 or 4 years ago. And it was an incredible way to make money. What I would do is I would do my next door neighbor's house for a discount, okay? And normally in your community, everybody has a similar size driveway. There was a small driveway that I would do for $165, including sidewalks and the front porch. If the customer lived on a corner lot and had a bigger sidewalk, I would charge an extra $50. If the patio was small, I would include that for free as well. But most of the time, the customers had pools. So we ended up doing like $400 to $500 tickets, and that didn't even include house wash. That was pure concrete and stuff like that for just a small driveway. Now the bigger driveways we were charging $250, okay, and that's where the driveway runs alongside the house, okay. And I did my neighbors. I actually did mine first, okay, and got some before and after pictures and posted that, hey, would anybody like me to pressure wash? And then I got one person to reach out to me. And then I did my neighbor's house. And here's what you want to do. And this is kind of why I'm talking about this and how it's still working for me today, years later. And what we did was, hey, I'm going to do your house. In return, could you please leave a nice review on the community application, which had about 300 to 400 people. Sure, I'd love to. Now, 50% of the people would never do that, and it's okay. But if you're doing a bunch of jobs, most likely you're going to get a few reviews. John Vitt just did my driveway. He did a fantastic job. Reach out to him here in my number. And this was during summertime. And not only did you get your neighbor to give you money, and they're going to be a repeat customer reaching out to you every year, but now you have 2 or 3 new people, and it was a snowball effect. Do the 2 or 3 new people's house, and then 1 or 2 of them will leave a review. Most likely all of them will leave a review the same day, and that's going to give you a lot of credit. And then those 3 would bring in another 2 or 3. And then it just kept snowballing to where every single day we were doing about 2 to 3 houses in our neighborhood. We have about 3,000 homes in the neighborhood, so we were staying pretty busy over the summer. And one thing that I would like to point out to you guys is when you do one job, go ahead and put them on the schedule for 6 months or a year. Open up your Google Calendar and, put their address, put their phone number, and go ahead and talk to the customer and say, hey, would you like to just go ahead and book something for 6 months to a year, keep your maintenance up, just like when you get your grass cut, they come back the next week, okay? And this just builds an incredible snowball effect to where you've got jobs stacking up, people reaching out to you, and then on the other hand, you've got these reviews and you've got new customers coming into your flow. So you've got this big flow of just tons of work. And what I actually did was I posted, hey, power washing for hiring, okay? So I was hiring anybody in my neighborhood who was in high school or college, and that just took it to a whole new level, okay? So I had guys in my neighborhood who would drive to my house. We would go out and service the homes on my street, which was amazing. I never had to spend any money in marketing, and my cost was so low because I was only spending money on gas and paying somebody about $10 to $15 per hour, depending on if they're in high school or if they're in college, okay? Now, we would have to train them, but this was a very lucrative marketing strategy that brought in a ton of clients. Now, when you go to a new neighborhood and you don't nowadays have good access to Nextdoor, I post ads online, Facebook, and if you want to learn Facebook ads, you can head to the link in the description. I dropped my price of my Facebook ads course to only $35. So if you're interested in learning Facebook ads and then using this strategy to exponentially grow your business, check that out. But what I did is I went ahead and did the job. Okay, here, like I was saying in the beginning of the story, and then I said, I'll give you $10 off, I'll give you a gas card, whatever you want, to leave a nice review on my Google, my Facebook, and leave a post on Nextdoor. Boom. Okay, not only did I get paid, I made a video about it, and that's also generating revenue, okay, with your guys' help of the Amazon links and all that good stuff. I really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. But now I have multiple people in the neighborhood reaching out, and I did a job yesterday, okay? The next door neighbor, they're best friends, and I went out there, did the job, actually charged them more because I told the customer that, hey, keep our pricing exclusive to me and you. We'll do a special deal just to get me in the neighborhood, okay? And this cost me $0. I gave the guy a break. In return, he's telling everybody, okay? That's amazing. I'm going out there and I serviced them. There was probably 5 people out yesterday that saw me doing it, and it's just going to be an incredible way to just keep earning the business in that neighborhood. So why did I tell you the story about when I first started in my neighborhood? Well, in your area, there is at least 10 neighborhoods, and you want to get in the neighborhood and then grow, expand your roots, okay? So the best way is word of mouth through the internet, and you want to grab those leads through Facebook ads, okay? And then just keep going out there, targeting them, doing the jobs in that neighborhood, growing, working for the HOA, having your yard signs, passing out business cards, flyers, leave a yard sign in the customer's front lawn. And before you know it, you're going to be expanding, growing in that neighborhood, having people that live in the area that want to go ahead and help you out, and anytime that you're in the area that they want to help you out. So it's incredible, and you really have to think smart. Um, so that's one way that I'm winning, and I will always win in my area wherever I am in the country. So another thing is just going ahead and putting them back on the calendar. Hey, this is a uh, um, bi-yearly service. Every 6 months, I'm going to come out and do your house. Offer them a 5% discount, or most of the times they're willing to pay. A good thing you can say is, would you like to go ahead and lock in the price that I gave you today, and go ahead and schedule it for 6 months, and then you're destined to dominate. So I hope this video really helped you guys. Get out there, crush it. Do the Facebook ads, get your name out there. I know it's very hard, but I've made the course to help you guys. It's only $35, and that would really help me out. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, helping you guys out, spending my time teaching. And I posted a video earlier today. It was just like a little montage of, you know, just pressure washing and stuff like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I am still doing a giveaway of 5 $50 Amazon gift cards when we hit 1,000 subscribers. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on any of my videos. So that's really it, guys. I'm gonna keep pursuing YouTube. It's very hard right now because there is no, it's all me giving my time to you guys. There is no payoff. There is no cash flow coming in. It's not a business. It's just something I do on the side. And the little things like the course and the Amazon links, that just helps me buy new equipment. You know, keeps me going to stay motivated to record videos for you guys and help you guys out. So I hope you're having a fantastic day. I honestly hope that you're out there working, staying busy. I do have a free Facebook group that I'd love you to come on over and say hello. And that's going to be it for this video. And I hope you guys find some great value in it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on in the next video.